Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Ball in Fall Guys. Fall Ball is an exciting team game where two teams, each with 4 players, compete to score goals. Your objective is simple: push the giant footballs into the opposing team's net. The game usually runs for about 2 minutes, and the team with the most goals at the end wins. It's a fast-paced round that requires both individual skill and good coordination with your teammates to secure victory. To start, mastering basic movements is key. When hitting the ball, aim to strike it from underneath to send it soaring over opponents. Don't forget to utilize your dive. It provides a powerful boost, allowing you to cover more ground or add extra force to your kicks. Also, remember to play defense. Staying close to your own goal helps you block shots and prevent the other team from scoring easy points. Once you've got the basics down, consider some advanced techniques. Intercepting shots is crucial. Dive directly into the ball's trajectory to block it before it reaches your goal. Experiment with wall bouncing the ball off the arena's edges. This can create tricky angles that are hard for opponents to defend. For a truly powerful play, try a 2-player pass, where one player sets up the ball for another to deliver a devastating shot. Teamwork is paramount for winning in Fall Ball. Try to communicate with your teammates, even if it's just through pings, to establish roles like offense and defense. A common mistake is having all 4 players chase the same ball, leaving your goal completely open. Instead, spread out, clear the ball from your half, and look for opportunities to pass to a teammate for a clear shot at the opponent's net. Collaboration leads to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.